Hello, good morning. My name is Ronald C. Madera. I am 23 years old. I live in Barangay Cabaladan, Ticon, Camarines Sur. Number 1. What is anxiety disorder? For me, anxiety disorder is a life experience such as traumatic events appear to trigger anxiety disorder in people who are already prone to anxiety. Number 2. Discuss 6 anxiety disorder. General disorder. It's characterized by excessive frequent and unrealistic worry about everyday things such as jobs, responsibilities, health or chores. Number 2. Phobia disorder. This fear can be so overwhelming that a person may go to great lengths to avoid the source of this fear. Number 3. Obsessive disorder. It's an intrusive and uncontrollable thoughts that usually have an outwardly related behavioral compulsions. Number 4. Post disorder may include flashbacks, nightmares, and severe anxiety. It is natural to feel afraid during and after a traumatic situations. Number 5. Panic disorder. Not everyone who experiences a panic attack will develop panic disorder. Number 6. Social anxiety. Worry about embracing of humiliating yourself such as blushing, sweating, and trembling. Enumerate the 19 phobias. Number 1. Agoraphobia, fear of height. Number 2. Agoraphobia, fear of open spaces. Number 3. Algophobia, fear of pain. Number 4. Ergophobia, fear of work. Number 5. Gamophobia, fear of marriage. Number 6. Hepatophobia, fear of touch. Number 7. Hemophobia, fear of blood. Number 8. Hydrophobia, fear of water. Number 9. Monophobia, fear of alone. Number 10. Mysophobia, fear of contaminations. Number 11. Necrophobia, fear of corpse. Number 12. Nyctophobia, fear of darkness. Number 13. Oculophobia, fear of crowds. Number 14. Pharmaphobia, fear of medicines. Number 15. Photophobia, fear of strong light. Number 16. Xenophobia, fear of strangers. Number 17. Thanatophobia, fear of death. 18. Zoophobia, fear of animals. Number 19. Claustrophobia, fear of closed spaces. Give at least 3 closest phobia that are applicable to you and you want to overcome. Number 1. Algophobia, because I don't want to have a pain because it's stressing. And to overcome this phobia is the treatment focuses on treating your actual pain and managing how you respond to the thought of pain. Number 2. Thanatophobia. An intensive fear of death is an anxiety disorder. Can disrupt every aspect of your life and overcome this to avoiding things that can make anxiety worse. Number 3. Xenophobia. Because I fear of having an enemy physically. To overcome this, avoid strangers to avoid trouble. Thank you.